Hi, boys and girls. I'm here today to go over this poster with you about lines. It has to do with our new packet, which is chapter 12. That is the packet that you're getting today. That is the packet that I am going to be teaching from now. It's chapter 12. It has a lot to do with lines, two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes, polygons, and all that good stuff. But the first thing we're going to learn about is different types of lines. So I made this poster to go over with you so that I could get you started on it until you get your packet. I am going to try to start working on that packet starting tomorrow. But let's go over the poster. So the first thing on the poster says lines of vocabulary. I'm going to give you the term, which is the words, the definition of what those words mean, and the illustration, which is the picture. So the first one is the word point. Point is an exact location in space. That's where you stop. So that's what a point looks like. The next word is line. A line is an endless straight path with no points, and you just keep going. So here you have different types of lines. You have a diagonal line, have arrows on both ends, which means it keeps going in both directions forever. You have a vertical line up and down. You have the points on each end, which means it goes on forever. And then over here you have a horizontal line, if you guys can see that. Let me just move it over a little bit. And here the horizontal line obviously goes on forever too because it has points, meaning that it keeps going. All right, the next term would be ray, if you guys can see that. I'm going to move it back over this way a little bit. The word ray is a part of a line with a single endpoint. So here's a ray. You have an endpoint here, which means it won't move in that direction, but it will move in this direction because of the arrow. Now I could make a ray going up, going sideways, going down, going diagonal. As long as there is an arrow moving in one direction, that's the direction that the ray goes. The endpoint is where it would stop. Okay. Next is a line segment. It's a part of a line with two endpoints. So this is only part of a line. It doesn't move. It doesn't keep going because you have two endpoints on it. The next word is parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that never intersect and are the same distance apart. So when I think, boys and girls, of parallel lines, I think of lines on the road, like those double yellow lines when you're driving down the road. Those yellow lines seem like they go on forever. They never cross, they never touch. They're just parallel. They're next to each other. So it says it here, lines that never intersect, which means they don't cross, and are the same distance apart. There you go. They go on forever. Next is intersecting lines. These are lines that cross at one point. So here you see them crossing and touching each other, and here is the point where they crossed. All right, so lines that cross at one point. The next one is perpendicular lines. These are lines that intersect to form four right angles. So here I have a vertical line, I have a horizontal line. They intersect each other, which means they touch, and in the corner of each of those parts, you can see a perfect square, or you can see a right angle. And we're going to talk about right angles in chapter 12. So here are some of the terms that we're going to begin with in that packet for chapter 12 when you get your packet, and these are the words that I will be talking about. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up. Now, these words at the bottom I'm not going to talk about right away, but they are in chapter 12, okay? But the ones above here, point, line, ray, and line segment, I am going to be talking about those right away in the first few pages of your packet for chapter 12. So this is a little head start for you. Take a look at this again so you know these terms. These are terms you will hear me say and you will see in the new packet. Thank you for dropping off the packets that we did. I only got up to lesson 10.5, but if you went on and did some more and you were able to do more lessons, good for you. Remember, doesn't have to be completely done. If you did the work in the packets, the ELA and the math, whatever work you did in there, you're getting credit regardless, okay? And because you handed it in. So if you did that, great job. Thank you so much for being responsible and doing the work and handing it in to us, okay? I will see you next time. Tomorrow, I am going to begin chapter 12 in the new packet. Have a good day, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye.